Hello, little friends! Now we will learn about sea animals. Let's watch the video. Dolphin. Dolphins are smart marine mammals who love to leap and play on the surface of the water. They live in groups and communicate using special sounds like whistles and clicks. Whales are the largest sea animals in the world. Even though they live in the ocean, they're mammals and breathe there. So they have to come up to the surface to breathe. Clownfish. Clownfish are small, orange fish with white stripes. They love to live among sea anemone tentacles, which help protect them from predators. Stingray. Stingrays have flat, kite-shaped bodies and swim with graceful, dance-like movements. They live near the ocean floor and eat small creatures like clams, shrimp, and sea worms. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and see-through sea animals. They can sting their prey with their tentacles, which carry a light poison. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish shaped like horses and swim upright. What's amazing is that the male seahorses carry and give birth to the babies. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 bendy arms and are super smart. They can change their color and shape to hide from danger on the ocean floor. Starfish. Starfish have star-shaped bodies and usually 5 arms. They live on rocks and coral, and they like to eat clams and snails. Shark. Sharks are strong, fast predators of the sea. They have sharp teeth and can smell blood from far away. But don't worry, not all sharks are dangerous. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are reptiles that live in the ocean but lay their eggs on the beach. They can swim very far and dive for a long time to find food. Murray eel. Murray eels have long snake-like bodies and love hiding in coral cracks. They come out at night to hunt small fish and shrimp. Clam. Clams have hard shells and live on the seafloor. They filter water to catch tiny food like plankton and small particles. Crab. The crabs have 2 big claws and walk sideways in a funny way. They live on beaches, coral rocks, and sea bottoms, looking for leftover food or tiny plants. Sea anemone. Sea anemones look like flowers, but they're actually animals. Their tentacles can sting small creatures that come too close. Sea slug. Sea slugs may have small shells or none at all. Some are brightly colored and live on coral reefs, looking like tiny, swimming rainbows. Squid. Squid have long bodies, 8 arms, and 2 tentacles. When they're scared, they can squirt black ink and jet away quickly through the water. Ocean sunfish. Ocean sunfish are big round fish that look a little strange. They love to float near the surface and enjoy eating jellyfish. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers have soft cucumber-shaped bodies. They help clean the ocean by eating waste and particles from the seafloor. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are special fish that puff up when they feel threatened. Their bodies are covered in tiny spines, and some can be very poisonous. Marlin. Marlins are large ocean fish with long sword-like noses. They are super fast swimmers and are known as one of the fastest fish in the deep sea. We've just met some amazing sea animals. There are so many wonderful creatures living in the ocean. That's why it's important for us to keep the ocean clean, so all the sea animals can live happily and safely in their home. See you again in the next animal adventure, only on Clever Seedlings.